National Vice President ke National People's Party NPP bat sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubak sengau balang thar ha ka khatwei tarik jeliu ulapan pawi ka jing Sngewskhem ba ukirtong jong ka parti u Dr Nonglait unyo ya ka jing job ha ka election shiteng samoi jong ka shulong luk sabha ka banwan dak ba ai burami kinong trei jong ka parti ki batrei Sngewskhem ya la ka kam ha ka leng ke jela Meghalaya. Habakren Syllad pthai kubor ubak sengau balang ulaong. Sngewskhem bha baka parti kan yo ya ka jingjob namar ka jingyo jingkyrshan na ki paidbah. Na kaliang ka parti ngin haban tri shitam. Nga ai khublei kerpang ya barok ki unit bat kinong tri ka parti hai ki kerdan ba per hakeleng ki constituency. Ki unit ke NPP kila tri shitam shibun kumta kade kadak kababahan na kabenta kade ke election MP shiteng samoi ke banwan. Habakali halor ka jingbambu kertong daki kenthei ubak sengau balang ulaong ba ka jingjiet kertong jong ke NPP kamdei karai ke bawan najrong syapo. Ulapan syai baka parti kala shim ya karai hadin balapan jingmut na barok ki unit jong ke NPP ki badan hakeleng ke jela. Ya kata pilak ban keli naki na kabenta ke NPP ngimju rai tang daki nungelam bahalor jong ka parti Henry ngi jus ngap bet ya ki jing a jingmut na barok ki unit jong ki lai penriu tali ki constituency ki bala a jingmut ya ki kerteng jong Dr Nonglait bat ngila hab ban pediang ya kata ulaong. Ubak sengau balang ulah kubur ru halor ki kubur ki bayadai bat ke jingwan penyesok jo ki jingkyrshan ke VPP ya ka seng NPP kam tam hapo kathan kasi jain dia. Hoot ngalayo iya kata kam tam hari lum jain dia kelahir bha hadu kata wat hari lum khasiru manla kasni ke jingdon ki jingkyrshan ke VPP kelanang hiar namar bagi beriu kelas sedang ban senguthu ula benram.
MP by-election, we are very confident of winning this time with the support of our people. So what to do from the party, we have to work hard. So now I'm very thankful to all the units at different levels in all different constituencies. The NPP unit work very hard. So it seems it is a very, very positive sign for this coming by-election. Why you ask me is up to them.
Even NPP?
No, and you see, for NPP, we never decide from the top. We always listen the view and suggestion from all units, from all the 36 constituencies. So they recommend Dr. Nonglait. We have to accept that. Simple as that. Yeah, I have seen that, especially even in Jantia, they are down very much. Even in Kasil, so it's every day is decreasing down from across the Kasil and Jantia regions. People start realizing this.